Hi friends, Candy Shaw here, and we are coming back to Premier Orlando. On Saturday, I will be teaching a 90-minute business class for all those salon owners that want to learn more about things that I do to run and operate my 50-chair salon. On Sunday, you can visit Denise Mahoney, who is going to teach her air touch foiling technique with none other than our first-to-market clay lightener, Moonlights. And if Saturday and Sunday weren't enough, we've got you covered with Abby Werther, who's going to bring to you all of her techniques of how to paint a fast, easy, money-making balayage. Abby will also be teaching l'art de la coupe. You do not want to miss this fundamental way of how we layer hair differently and how we can work more efficient at the chair. Yours truly will be emceeing the entire main stage on Sunday and Monday. So get your tickets today. This is the show you do not want to miss.